Hello everyone and warm welcome in the presentation event of EMAR. Myself, Mrs. Urmila Jathar, working as a primary teacher in Jilla Parishad School in Pune, Maharashtra. Next. Due to COVID-19, school closed. We teachers lose contact with our students. To keep in touch with my student, I formed WhatsApp group and started connecting, but I wanted to meet my student virtually. So I planned for Zoom meeting daily at 10 a.m. But problem is that only 2 students were attending my class. According to the problem of attendance, I got my topic for EAR. My topic for EAR is how can I increase student attendance of grade 5th for online class? And reason for topic are to stop the learning loss of student and continuing them in learning stream. To inform them how can we use our mobile for study. To utilize more free time of my student and engage them and prepare them for their next academic year. These are my exploratory research questions according to my topic, and it helped me to explore my problem step by step. Questions are, what are the challenges students, parents face in attending online classes? What do my learners want in their online class should include? And what are the experiences of my colleague in this regard? And what went well for them? Next. With the help of these tools, I had started data collection according to the research question and my topic. Tools are self-reflection, student and parents questionnaire, informal discussion with my colleague. Finding of self-reflection, I had started online meetings. At that time, I faced some issues. And considering to my attendance issue, I reflected some views that I had to check students and parents' interest in online learning. I had come to know the barriers in teaching process. Are there any helping hand for students? And how could I manage my time as well as my parents' time for study? To find out the reason of low attendance, I formed this 2 questionnaire, and data analysis shows us that all the students and parents interested in online learning. But problem is that 13 out of 15 students doesn't match the time of my class with the time they have available for mobile. I recognize the problem and changed my class timing. It's led to increase the attendance of students, but I wanted all the students in my class is now on Zoom class. Again, I formed this questionnaire to find out what do my learners want in their online class should include. And data analysis shows us that only few students always enjoyed Zoom class, and 9 out of 15 students want gaming activities in Zoom class for their enjoyment. So I decided to include gamification theory in my online class because we know that learners learn best when they are also having fun. After that, I discussed with my colleagues for betterness of my class, and they suggested me these innovative ways like different apps can be used in online class, conduct some interactive activities in online class, and students should give an interesting homework, and always reward your student for their motivation. Next. According to my topic, my research questions and collected data, I planned my action plan, and that is embracing gamification with the help of technology for enhancing the attendance of grade 5th learners in the online class according to their mobile availability. Next step of EAR is implementation, which is the core point of EAR. While implementing my action plan, I use these apps for different purposes. Zoom app for online meetings, Kahoot for maths, games, puzzles, Google Form for online exam, and camera and voice recorder for capturing my students' responses according to various gaming activity. And this is the most important thing, that my students loved it so much and I could achieve my goal of attendance. After reading about gamification, I came to know that I have teaching for 5th standard and they had a lot of study and online class time is very short. So not only all study could be done through game, but I could conduct gaming activity at the beginning of each and every class for enhancing the attendance of my student. So I started implementing one game every day activity. In this concept, I conducted various gaming activities for my students' holistic development, and all this resulted in an increase of attendance. I was quite happy. After that, we know everyone appreciates their fun self-esteem. So I accepted my students' responses as they had and complemented them with these e-tools every time. It impacted on students to motivate them to complete their assignments on time and gives inspiration to attend the class. Next. Here are some responses of my students. And now I could say with the gamification, I could engage my learners mostly. And finally, I got what I was struggling for. See the bar chart of attendance. It shows us the growth in attendance. And here are some audio responses of my parents regarding to the online class. My post findings. I was struggled for the attendance of my students in online class and I achieved my goal pretty much. Now 80% of students attending my Zoom class and I will try my best for 100%. And best thing is that with the help of gamification, I could engage my learners mostly. It is very difficult to put it in the world that what did I learn from this research? I learned very much. I wanted to share some points here. I developed my critical thinking power, my patience, and my positivity. I understood how can I reach to the root causes of any problem. I enjoyed this process a lot. And I realized technology is the helping hand of us. And I got the ambitious and goal-oriented friends group from this research team. I referred these resources to design my action research and it guided me a lot. Thank you. Thank you, our motivators, Mr. Richard sir, our mentor, Mrs. Suchita ma'am, my guide, Mrs. Ajita ma'am, and thanks to each and everyone in EMAR team to give me such a golden chance to present myself here today. Once again, thanks a lot.